You walk into the community room and a wave of chaos hits you. Crumbs scatter across the table, trash lies unceremoniously on the floor, and there in the corner, Leo breathes heavy and fast. Max, your peer specialist, kneels down, creating space. "Hey Leo, you're in charge here. Do you want quiet, water, or someone to listen?" Leo whispers, and you can feel the weight of his words. "Listen." Max reassures him, saying, "No shame, just support. Let's ground ourselves. What are 5 things you can see? 4 things you can feel? 3 sounds you hear? 2 smells? And 1 taste?" You watch as Leo's shoulders relax, the tension easing. Max points at one small area. "We're not cleaning everything, just this table for 5 minutes." They dive in, wiping it down, tossing trash, cracking a window. "Clean space, calmer brain," Max says wisely. At the sink, they wash their hands for 20 seconds, emphasizing, "After snacks, brush or rinse. Old school basics work." Together, they turn to the staff, suggesting, "We need more wipes and soap." They post it proudly. Calm, clean, choices. You can sense a transformation within Leo, and it's a beautiful thing.